Creating a custom audience in Facebook ads allows you to target specific groups of users based on their interactions with your business or other criteria. Here's how to create a custom audience. Access Ads Manager. Log into Facebook Ads Manager and navigate to the Audiences tab in the Assets column. Choose Create Audience. Click on the Create Audience button and select Custom Audience from the drop-down menu. Select Audience Type. Choose the type of custom audience you want to create. Options include website traffic, customer list, app activity, engagement, and more. Define audience criteria. Depending on the audience type selected, define the criteria for your custom audience. For example, if creating a website traffic audience, specify the website visitors you want to target based on specific pages they've visited or actions they've taken. Set audience name. Give your custom audience a descriptive name to easily identify it later. Create audience. Click on the Create Audience button to save your custom audience. Facebook will begin populating the audience based on the criteria you've defined. Using ad campaigns. Once your custom audience is created, you can use it to target your ad campaigns by selecting it as a target option during campaign setup.